Hi everyone, welcome to video 4 of Kodaly level 3. Today we're going to be talking about intervals. You may have heard that word before, you might know what it means, you might not. That's okay, we're going to talk about it now. So intervals are the spaces between notes. You can have small intervals, short spaces, big intervals, quite long spaces between the notes. And we've used a couple so far in our Kodaly journey. So we've had the very small interval, do, re, do. We've had an even smaller interval than that, do, ti, do. And then we've had slightly bigger intervals, so, mi, so. That one, we're actually missing out a Kodaly hand sign, aren't we? We're missing out far. So, mi, so, mi, so. We've also missed out, there's also another one, do, la, do, because we're missing out T there, aren't we? Do, ti, la, do. So that we've been working with fairly small intervals at the moment. There's one interval that we've had which is really big. And I'm using, it's do to do, do, do. That should be quite easy to find because we've used do as our sort of gravity point for a lot of the time. So that big interval is called, we've used it before, an octave. Do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, octave, octopus, octave, 8 notes. So that interval is called an octave, but the ones in between are slightly more tricky. Let's see if we can find so. We're going to find so from do. Do. So. Hopefully you found that before me. Well, how can we think about it? We can think upwards, so we can think do, so in our head, much like the magic pattern where we sort of miss out notes and think back to do. How about let's try one going up to la. So rather than going down to la, we're going to go up to la. And maybe try to use the same thing that we did before by going up the notes. Do. And sing it. Let's work that one together if it's a bit tricky. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Do, la, do, so, do. So those ones are quite big intervals. And obviously we talked about so and do before, which is the fifth because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth. Brilliant. So in the next video as well, we're going to be talking about some more intervals and the ways that we can find these intervals and just get used to using bigger jumps in our music so that we can have all sorts of melodies that we can use and be able to read and see on the page or with my hands or your hands. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video on intervals, and yeah, have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon.